Can't take it to town.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple panties on them, couple racks, ayy, that's a bet, ayy, go to bed, ayy, and this money's running.
Fellas, time to take this out. Look, see? Hold it with the zip tie. So, that's it. That's today's task. Alright, y'all. Trying to take this away. Already preset it. This is the light harness and connectors.
Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out. Pop, pop, it's showtime.
Alright, connected these. As you can see. And this is like the mod switch. So, give it a test. Okay, license plate light is on. That's on. Now we'll see. Okay, that's the feature I want. When I hit the brakes, it flickers and then stays solid. There's other modes. There's standard, of course, like the one the V2 has, and then there's another one. I'll show you the clip. But I think for me, this is the best. So you can see it. And it has lights. Alright, looks pretty good. Finished product, my guys. There it is. License plate tucked in. Side. Right. No, that's not right. It's left. Hazard. That's it.